Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a very special machine with us in the shop. This is an Elektra machine. This is not the lever machines that you usually see Elektra make. This is more of a semi-automatic, even has a release solenoid valve for back flushing and stuff like that. So it's more of a semi-automatic machine. It has a huge hopper that you can manually pump in water by clicking this button here into the steam boiler. And then it also is running on a heat exchanger system so that when you're brewing, it doesn't affect anything with the water or affect any of the water that's inside the steam boiler. And so you're able to steam and brew at the same time. So we're quickly going to run over the things we did. We mainly replaced serviced the copper pipe that's under the machine that holds the pressure stat. We also replaced the pressure stat. Here's our original one, which doesn't look bad on the outside, but once you look inside there's really big pieces of scale in there, which are just going to clog the entire pressure stat and not let it work. And so your machine might overheat or just might not heat at all. And so we replaced that completely with a brand new one. Also did a tune-up where we replaced a shower screen gasket, deep cleaned inside, and also back flushed the solenoid valve here. And so we are going to quickly brew a shot. There you go. So we're going to quickly put our glass down there, and we're just going to hit the brew button. Don't worry if it runs a little too fast or too slow. We don't calibrate our grinder to these machines, and so, but yeah, it's looking like a really good shot coming out, actually. We're going to turn it off before it hits the spouts, because this is quite a, little gap for a machine, for a cup. Very beautiful shot coming out. So we're going to turn it off there. You're going to hear that release valve pop, or that solenoid valve open, and it'll release all the excess pressure into the drip tray. So a very beautiful shot coming out of there. So we're going to move that to the side, quickly open this up. Put this to the side, rinse it out a little bit. And then lastly, we're just going to quickly check the steamer one. So we're just going to open this. And as you can see, working very, very well. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.